Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine being able to handle all your office tasks from the comfort of your home, or even on the go, with just a few taps on your smartphone. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, the HP DJ4227e DJ4227e All-in-One Inkjet Printer is here to turn that dream into a reality. This powerhouse of a printer is packed with features that will revolutionize the way you work, and I'm excited to share them with you. First off, let's talk about one of the most impressive features of this printer: the ability to scan, copy, print, and even fax directly from your smartphone. Yes, you heard that right. With the HP Smart app, you can send documents to your printer, scan documents, and save them to your phone, and even fax important documents to anyone, all from the convenience of your mobile device. This feature is a total game changer for anyone who needs to stay productive on the go. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or a freelancer, being able to access these features from your phone is a huge time saver and can be a major boost to your productivity. Another feature that really stands out is the built-in wireless connection. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can print, scan, and copy from any device on your network without having to deal with the hassle of cables. This is especially useful if you have a small office or home workspace, where space is limited. The wireless connection also makes it easy to share the printer with others, whether it's family members or colleagues. And with the HP Smart app, you can even print from your smartphone or tablet, as long as you're connected to the same network. Now, let's talk about multi-page scanning and copying. We've all been there, trying to scan or copy a large document, only to have to feed it through the printer one page at a time. It's frustrating, time-consuming, and can be a real hassle. But with the HP DJ4227e, those days are behind you. The automatic document feeder allows you to scan and copy multiple pages at once, saving you time and effort. This feature is especially useful for businesses or individuals who need to handle large volumes of paperwork on a regular basis. And with the ability to scan documents directly to your computer or cloud storage, you can easily digitize your files and free up space in your office. The automatic document feeder is another feature that really sets this printer apart. With the ability to automatically feed multiple pages through the printer, you can save time and effort when scanning, copying, or faxing large documents. This feature is especially useful for businesses or individuals who need to handle large volumes of paperwork on a regular basis. And with the HP Smart app, you can even monitor the printer's ink levels, schedule maintenance, and troubleshoot any issues that may arise, all from the convenience of your smartphone. In conclusion, the HP DJ4227e DJ4227e All-in-One Inkjet Printer is an incredible piece of technology that can revolutionize the way you work. With its ability to scan, copy, print, and fax from your smartphone, built-in wireless connection, multi-page scanning and copying, and automatic document feeder, this printer is a must-have for anyone who needs to stay productive. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or a freelancer, this printer has the features and functionality you need to succeed. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the HP DJ4227e DJ4227e All-in-One Inkjet Printer today, and start experiencing the power of productivity for yourself. Trust me, your future self will thank you.